In this video I'll show you how to use any song as a ringtone on your iPhone. Go to App Store on your iPhone and search and download GarageBand. Also download Ringtones Maker. Open the Spotify app and find the song you'd like to use as a ringtone. Swipe down from the top right corner and turn on screen recording. Screen record the song from Spotify. Open the Ringtone Maker app, tap the plus icon, then import the video. The audio will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on it, then tap Make. After the audio is ready, select GarageBand when prompted. Tap Continue, then Continue again. You'll see the audio just downloaded. Tap on it. Once the audio is loaded, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Adjust the burst to 30, then tap Done. Tap the arrow in the top left corner, then tap My Storage. Tap My Songs to save it. Long press the audio file, select Share, then tap Ringtone. Choose a ringtone name and tap Export. Once the export is complete, tap Use Sound As and choose Standard Ringtone. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.